quick video, right? So basically, I went out and brought myself the H7s, H7s or H7s, however the hell you say it. The video quality might be bad. It's gonna be a quick video of me unboxing my new speakers. Now let me turn the face mask thing off so my camera start following me, and we can get started, bro. Let's do it. Turn this off. Alright, so in this box, I got the new speakers. We about to see. It's a humongous box. I knew I shouldn't have went with the 8s. I know I got the 7s. Cause I live in a small apartment. Me and boy live. And it came using this knife. It came with a blade, y'all. I don't know. Yeah, the blade look pretty sharp. It came with a blade, man. So we're gonna keep this thing rocking. So the audio, like I said, the audio might not be good. My girl took some of my audio stuff. The box came out humongous. Right here, I'm guessing this is the base, or this may be the whole thing. It came with stands. I brought off Amazon the one with stands in it. Ah, this thing cuts like butter. So it was the one with 2 stands, and it came with a TRS cables to hook up to my interface. Alright. This is so easy. I could just cut that. Now I'm gonna hook in this stuff, but I'm probably not gonna put it together right now because all my stuff from Amazon haven't came in yet. So basically, I don't want to take out the paper. Got some screws there. Little screws used to. This is the stand. It came out triangular. You know what I mean? So, and it's heavy. It's heavy as hell. So that's that. It came with 2 of those, and the only thing different is the base. Well, not the base for the top. Where you put your speakers. Basically where you put your speakers at. And they flat. It's nothing but flat. Probably have to screw that on some type of way. And then the arms. Y'all, I'm calling this an unboxing, but I really don't want to open this stuff because I'm not going to put it up right now. Let's get to these speakers, though. Ooh, I know the person downstairs is. I'm pissed. All right, here we go. Came with a cable, TRS cable. Just your standard cable to hook up to your interface, a ballast cable. And it better came with 2. I only see 1 cable up in here. And it's not room for another. Y'all, if this thing came with 1 cable, I'm gonna be mad, bro. It looks like I'm missing a cable. I think I got a cable in my back in the car, but I'm pissed about the cable. Let's get to these speakers. Ooh, oh, they're so big. All right, here we go, y'all. The meat of it all. I don't know how it's gonna stabilize up there, but hey, we're gonna roll with it. All right. swear this thing like butter, y'all. Alright. So, I'm trying to make this the quickest unboxing I could possibly make. I'm in this box looking for my cable, man. This ain't it. This gotta be the power cord. It came with a, you know, you have your power cords on each one because these speakers right here, they depend on each other. I mean, they're independent. They don't depend on each other. All right, let's flip this thing upside down. I wouldn't recommend it. I really wouldn't recommend this, but it's the easiest way. I can't believe these bitches done cheated me out of power cord. Not power cord, a TRS cable. Ooh. Ooh. It's Christmas. It's Christmas. There we go. The other one is the same. It's in there. And I got it upside down. Of course, because I opened it upside down. But here's the speaker. It's pretty large. I'm a pretty large person. And if I can hold it like this and have problems, the speaker is big. Here go the inputs on the back of the speaker. I can't really see, but it's like the levels right there. You got your input, got your XLR, you got your TRS cable. Well, I won't be using because I ain't got the up cable. All right, and then you got your DBs with your room control, your high trim. I don't know where this crossover is at. Or what it crossover to? I think 2K hertz. It's a crossover at 2K, I think. I don't know, so it should sound pretty flat. Should sound pretty good. The vent is at the back, so you don't want to press it against a wall or anything like that. And the power cord down here, off and on switch, serial numbers and stuff. Basic things. I don't know what size the tweeter, or I don't know what size the speaker is, but I'm happy to have them. I'm gonna try to go find out where my card at. I ain't having this, bro. I ain't having it. Pay too much money for them. And they came out to be $600 with all this, y'all. $600. So, hey, I'm mad about my code.